How to turn off save story to camera roll on Instagram. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off save story to camera roll on your Instagram app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Instagram app. And then once you're on your Instagram app, go to your profile. And then here tap on these three lines in the top right corner here. Then tap on settings, and here in settings tap on privacy. Then here in privacy, here you will see story, tap on it, and then here scroll down, and here you will see in saving, save story to gallery. So if it's turned on, turn it off. And that's how you turn off save story to camera roll on Instagram. Thanks for watching.